Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedrian. Reggae crooner Romaine Berger has topped the Billboard Reggae album chart with his newly released album Lovesick. The project was released on March 30 by VB Records and sold 296 copies within the first week. Among the tracks featured on Lovesick are In This Together, Sweet Liar, Caress Me, Face to Face, and a cover of Sam Smith's Stay With Me. Lovesick highlights his journey of exploring the emotions felt in finding love, losing love, and discovering its warmth all over again. Romaine Berger is currently on his 3-week European tour, which will see him making stops in Birmingham, Manchester, London, Switzerland, among others. The Lovesick tour kicked off on April 6 and features upcoming artist Savannah. Dancehall artist Conscience has teamed up with American rapper Rick Ross and music producer Russian for the release of a new track titled Big Belly. The track is featured on Conscience's sophomore album It Feel Good, which was released last month. The trio linked up in Miami to shoot the video for the track. The video has already scored over 1 million streams on YouTube since it was released 2 weeks ago. It Feel Good also features guest appearances from American singer Chris Brown. Conscience is gearing up for his 2018 Feel Good Summer European Tour. On the international scene, American singers Pharrell Williams and Robin Thicke recently lost their appeal in the Blurred Lines lawsuit against Marvin Gaye's estate. The two were ordered to pay the music legend's estate $5.3 million for copyright infringement for the 1977 classic Got to Give It Up. The estate of the late singer is now officially entitled to 50% of all the royalties from Blurred Lines forever. The court also ruled that T.I., who is also featured on the track, was not liable for damages, clearing him of any involvement in the lawsuit. The news follows the original ruling from 2015, where a judge found the producer and singer guilty of copyright infringement for its similarities to the 1977 classic. At the time, they were ordered to pay Gaye's estate $7.3 million, as well as to give over 50% of the songwriting and publishing revenues. Marvel's Black Panther film has officially sailed past James Cameron's Titanic film and has become the third top-grossing film in the US of all time. Black Panther is Disney's and Marvel Studios' highest-grossing film in the North American history. The film made nearly $1.3 billion globally since opening in mid-February. The superhero film is now behind Star Wars, The Force Awakens, and Avatar. Black Panther stars Chadwick Boseman alongside Michael B. Jordan, Lupita Nyong'o, Danai Gurira, Martin Freeman, Danielle Kaluuya, Letitia Wright, Winston Duke, Angela Bassett, and others. Reggae band Roots of Creation has released their album titled Grateful Dub, a reggae-infused tribute to the Grateful Dead. The Grateful Dub album features guest artists such as Stephen Marley, G-Love, Melvin Seals, Marlon, Ganja Farmer Asha, Haley Jane, among others. The album was mastered by 6-time Grammy winner and 10-time Grammy-nominated mastering engineer Chris Garinger at the Sterling Sound in New York City. Roots of Creation is set to embark on Grateful Dub 2018 tour, which starts on April 12 and continues through to June 30. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedrian.